Hello, everyone, and welcome to NEET Mentor. 2 months, almost 2 months, few days are left for the examination, which is scheduled to happen on 5th of March. Okay, so this video I'm creating is not related to the counseling; it's more related to the preparation. Okay, and I will try to explain like how you can improve your score. Okay, you must have been giving GT, okay, and then how you can track your GT score, how you can analyze, okay, and which are the highest scoring subjects, and which are the subjects which you need to focus more, okay, and this is the channel you can subscribe if you're new, because in through this channel you will get all the support starting from now until you get the seat through the counseling process. And 9319128677 is the contact number where you can contact us over the call and through WhatsApp. You can also avail our paid counseling guidance services, which cover the counseling throughout the year, starting from INCT, DNB, MDMS, government, private, deemed universities, and how to proceed and all such things. So I've created a chart. Okay, the chart has all the subjects. Okay, and which subjects? See, the subjects will be classified in three parts. Okay, so there are subjects which has a high accuracy. It means these are more kind of like fact based questions which do not change. 5 years back it was same, and now also it will be same, and they can't do more twist in these questions. Okay, that's why the accuracy, if you know the question, if you know the answer, there is a less chance that you will have multiple uh, choices which looks correct. Okay, so it will be more accurate, and these are the basic subjects, more non-clinical subjects. Okay, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pathology, pharmacology, microbiology, and radio diagnosis, dermatology, psychiatry, orthopedics, anesthesia. Okay, these are the subjects where which is the priority one subject where you should focus more, or give the first priority if you have those subjects in your weaker zone, because these will be uh, less time consuming. Okay, and not clinical subjects, and higher scoring with high accuracy. Okay, so if you haven't getting like a good score in these subjects in GTs, you be assured that you will be getting good score in your real examination also. Okay, so these subjects need to be given higher priorities, and radio, dermatology, psychiatric, orthopedics, and anesthesia also coming under the same category. That's why you see here in that. Let me zoom it out. Anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pathology, pharmacology, microbiology. These are the subjects where I have given the target 80 to 85%, means more focus should be given on these subjects. Okay, if you have targeted these, then you give target to next these subjects: radio, dermat, psychiatry, orthopedics, and anesthesia. Okay, let me take you to the other subjects where the scoring is difficult and they are more time consuming, because the clinical based questions will be more from those subjects, and the accuracy is also less. You will find often that more than one option seems to be correct. So out of those two, which one will be the correct option or the more accurate? Because these are clinical based questions, these are not theoretical, or not just theory one liner questions. So one liner questions will be mostly from the non clinical subjects. Okay, so if you are weak at these subjects, so nothing to worry. Okay, you need to give third priority to these subjects: medicine, surgery, obs-gynae, PSM. There are some other subjects like pediatrics, ophthalmology, ENT. These are kind of subjects which are not priority one. These should be given priority two, and even like kind of like medium level focus need to be given. Okay, once you have good command in the one liner subjects, which will be more scoring. So it's kind of like once you start the preparation, you need to get confidence. Once you are in the zone where you are confident about your preparation, so even you try to pick like those subjects which are where you are not strong, then your confidence level will make it easy. Okay, and at this point I won't suggest you to like try to figure out those subjects where you don't have it's not about like you don't have even average command, because it's not like you need to qualify subject wise, you have to qualify in aggregate. Okay, so you need to focus more on those subjects where you already have the command, and try to give the focus on the priority 2 and then priority 3 subjects. So this chart will help you. Okay, and now coming to the GTs. So I have a slide where I have explained like before you take the GTs, you must have the confidence level in you that you are now have enough. You have done enough studies. The notes and the concepts are clear. Theories are covered. Okay, before you take the GTs. Otherwise, once you start taking the GTs without preparation up to like medium level, still then your score, if you don't score good, then you start with like very low level of motivation, and the next 2 months is going to be affected. So you must understand this fact that you must keep the basics clear, theories and concepts clear before you take the GTs. Okay, read the notes for non-clinical subjects and clinical. First give the priority to non-clinical subjects. Okay, and once you take the GTs, okay, then you need to analyze your response. Okay, where you are lagging, and which are the weaker zone, which are the strong zone, which weak subjects and strong subjects. Okay, I need to plan out for the next step, like where you should give more focus. Okay, so you have to divide like which are your weak subjects. Okay, depending on your score. So pharmacology, anatomy, if this is your weak subject, then you have to pick it these two subjects first to improve your score, because here you will be having more accuracy. If your strength is pathology, microbiology, biology, radio, don't you don't need to think about it, but you have to always think about your weak subjects. Okay, first you need to pick pharmacology, anatomy, and then priority 2 should be given to psychiatry, and then these clinical subjects, medicine, surgery. More questions will be coming from medicine, surgery, but it will be time taking also, and it's lengthy question, more comprehensive, clinical, and less accuracy. Okay, so you need to make sure that wherever you have your strength, you don't miss out the question from those. Okay, so you need to analyze your GTs, you assess the progress, and don't get demotivated at any point. You have to pick the right step, and within your group you need to discuss with other candidates who are preparing with you, or you know them. Okay, so that you maintain your confidence level or motivation level. Timely manner, you have to visit some motivational videos, so that you don't feel low. Okay, so like when you have to visit YouTube, when you have to get the energy from some other mentors or like that. Okay, so the timing is, you don't make it a habit, because if it's a habit, then you might get deviated from the right track. But when you feel low, your energy level is low, you feel demotivated, then definitely you have to get the energy boost from somewhere. Okay, so this sort of things, and in the next video I'll try to give you the expected score or marks you need to have in GTs in order to get seat in government colleges branch wise. For particular branch, if you're targeting that's your dream branch, then how much score you need to have in GTs, and you need to try to get more scores in GT. Okay, because in actual examination you might be getting little lesser. Okay, because GTs will in GTs the questions might get repeated from the question bank. So if you are attending question bank also, okay, then you may able to score more in GTs, but in the real examination the score might be little lesser, because you keep getting the same question in GTs. Okay, so that sort of analysis I wanted to share with you. I hope it's useful, and we will meet again in the next video with some more topics. Thanks for watching.